Papers to be read. Papers read to be on the table. Nothing is going on
Respected
record.
Chairman, sir.
After this, I will be calling Venugopal. I will be calling.
Respected Chairman, sir, with your permission, on behalf of my senior
If the house is
colleagues
in order,
and other
definitely. Or
colleagues,
you also both.
Shri Mansukh Mandviya ji, Shri Ashwini Kumar Choube ji, Shri Danve Rao Sahib Dadarao ji, Sadhvi Niranjan Jyoti ji, Shri Pankaj Chaudhary ji, Srimati Anupriya Singh Patel ji, Sushri Shobha Karandala ji, and Shri Kailash Chaudhary ji. I lay on the table of the House the papers listed against their names from serial numbers 1 to 8 in today's revised list of business.
Message from Lok Sabha Secretary General.
Sir, with your kind permission, I rise to lay report the Lok Sabha at its sitting held on the 29th of July 2021 passed 1. The Airport Economic Regulatory Authority of India Amendment Bill 2021 and 2. The Inland Vessels Bill 2021. I lay a copy each of the said bills on the table.
Reports of the Joint Committee on Office of Profit. Dr. Sasmit Patra.
Sir, I rise to lay on the table a copy each in English and Hindi of the first, second and third reports of the Joint Committee on Office of Profit.
Statement by Minister Sri Ashwini Kumar Choube. You just read. Not there. Sri Bhagwat.
आपकी अनुमति से मैं आज की संशोधित कार्यसूची के क्रम संख्या 1 पर उपभोक्ता मामले विभाग, उपभोक्ता मामले, खाद्य और सार्वजनिक वितरण मंत्रालय से संबंधित अनुदान मांगों 2021-22 के संबंध में खाद्य उपभोक्ता मामले
पूरा पढ़ने की जरूरत नहीं है।
स्थायी समिति की 10वीं रिपोर्ट में निहित सिफारिशें प्रेक्षकों पर कार्यान्वयन की स्थिति के संबंध
भगवंत
में
कुबा भगवंत
अपने
कुबा
नाम के आगे सूचीबद्ध करता हूँ।
प्लीज संक्षिप्त में विषय क्या है?
Of the House, the papers mentioned against my name at serial number 1, the today's revised list of business.
Statement deemed to have been made. Dr. L. Murugan.
With your kind permission, I rise to make a statement listed against my name at serial number 3 in today's business.
Statement regarding government business. Sri V. Muralidharan.
Sir, with your permission, I rise to announce that the government business for the week commencing Monday, the 2nd August 2021 may consist of 1. Consideration of any item of government business carried over from today's business list of business. 2. The discussion on statutory resolution seeking disapproval of the insolvency and bankruptcy.
Just mention, that's all. Mention and go.
Bankruptcy Code, Ordinance 2021. 3. Discussion on statutory resolutions seeking disapproval of the Commission for Air Quality Management in National Capital Region and adjoining areas ordinance. 4. Discussion on statutory resolution seeking disapproval of the Essential Defence Services, along with the passing of the Commission of Air Quality Management Bill in place of the ordinance and also the Essential Defence Services Bill. 5. Discussion on statutory resolution seeking disapproval of the Tribunal Reforms Ordinance and consideration passing of the Tribunal Reforms Bill after it is passed by Lok Sabha. 6. Consideration and return of the appropriation bills relating to the following demands as passed by Lok Sabha. That is the supplementary demands for 21-22 and excess demands grants for 17-18. 7. Consideration passing of the following bills after their introduction. 1 is Constitutional Scheduled Tribes Order Amendment Bill, Limited Liability Partnership Amendment Bill, the Deposit Insurance and Credit Guarantee Corporation Amendment Bill. Then 8. Consideration passing of the bills as passed by Lok Sabha, the Inland Vessels Bill 2021, the Airport Economic Regulatory Authority of India Amendment Bill 2021. 9. Consideration passing of the following bills after they are passed by Lok Sabha. 1. General Insurance Business Amendment Bill and Central Universities Amendment.
Right. Before I go to Urova, Sri K.C. Venugopal.
I have given a notice under Rule 187, a privilege notice against MOS Health. This is regarding a question 243 of my question on his August House. Honorable Chairman, my question was very direct, whether it is a fact that a large number of COVID-19 patients died on road and hospital due to acute shortage of oxygen in the second wave. This was my question. The Honorable Minister answered to that question that there is no death occurred
Right.
due to the oxygen shortage.
Okay.
And also one more
I have
thing.
re-
One
I
more
have
thing.
received
The
no
states have
praise,
reported that.
no
This is
slogans.
actually against the facts.
I have
Mr.
received the
Chairman.
notice.
Actually, the minister
Sri
misled
Venugopal,
the House.
you will get an opportunity as and when we take up the
Actually,
issue
minister
fully.
misled the House.
I have received the
Deliberately.
notice from Sri K.C. Venugopal on this issue and being examined, and also I would like to inform the new members that I have to seek the response of the concerned ministers after once I forward it to him. The process is on. You will be rest assured. Sri Sukhen Sekhar. That is the system.
To the fact that since November 2016 till today, on no occasion the Rule 267 has been allowed for the past 5 years. I strongly believe that the rule still exists in the rule book and kindly allow us to discuss on 267.
Right, Sukhenji. You made your point. We have to discuss it also. And we meet GPC or whatever it is. Because 267 was rarely used. Now I am receiving 10, 15, 267 notices every day. And then on different issues. If the House has to be adjourned on those, adjourned, I want the House to function and discuss the issues. That's why there's difference of opinion. We will say it. Sri Jirava, Sri Viswambara Prasad, Jirava, please.
माननीय सभापति महोदय
The House is adjourned to meet at 12.
भारत के संविधान में